Hello everyone. Today we are going to do how is array represented in memory. Okay. So first is one dimensional array. How it is represented array, then inside the bracket it is column. As I already told you that the one dimensional arrays element is represented in one subscript and there is single row multiple columns. So we have array, then 10 numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how it will be stored in the RAM? When we instantiated the array, compiler will allocate 10 contiguous cells in the RAM. Okay, so how it will allocate? In this way: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see, the numbers are arranged in single line only, okay, without any gap. It cannot be possible that the 0 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, then 5 is here. Basically the elements are always stored into the contiguous memory location. Now coming to the two-dimensional array. So what is two-dimensional array? The elements are represented in two subscripts. So the array, we have rows, then columns. So the total elements will be rows into columns. So the example here, it is array 5 2. 5 are the number of the rows, 2 are the number of the columns. So 5 into 10, that is 10 elements. So there will be 10 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how these 10 elements will be arranged? These will also arranged into the single line, into the contiguous memory location. Contiguous means continuity in a single line without any gap. Okay, it is not possible that the 0 will be here, then 10 will be here, 20 will be here, then 30 will be here. Okay, these elements will always stored in a single line. Okay, now coming to the third dimensional array. So what is a third dimensional array? Third dimensional array, the elements are always represented in the three subscripts. Okay, we have depth, row and column. So the total elements will be depth into row into column. Okay, this is array 2, that is 2 is a depth, 3 is rows and 3 is column. So total number of elements will be 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 into 3, 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 elements. So in three-dimensional array, also the elements are stored into the single line. Elements are stored into the contiguous memory location. Okay, so these are stored in a single line and these are the indexes, position. Okay, so what we observe, so we finally observe that elements in array are always stored in contiguous memory location, whether it is one dimensional, two dimensional or three dimensional. So finally we get our answer how array is stored in RAM. So elements in the array are always stored in a contiguous memory location. Thank you very much.